chance you've been waiting for. It's the light coming through the cracks. When life shows an open door, come on, step through. A chance like the purest gold. Come on, come on. When life shows an open road, you know you should ride it. Forget what you've been told and ride this open road.
Ready to go real good?
Ready to go real good, it's Charlie.
Well, hi everybody. Just remember, if you got it, a truck brought it. So don't forget to subscribe. Home sweet home. There's our place. Mama's place. Parked the truck in the spot later. Sophia had to run to the house. She's got to get to her eye appointment, so glad to be home.
Whoa.
No.
Hey, what are you doing?
Wow, that's a big bark.
Zip much easier 2 or 3 hours ago.
Need some stretchy pants.
Oh yeah, these will be me.
Okay. Get in here.
Ouch.
Get in here. Come
How are
on,
you
Phil.
gonna be?
Are you gonna selfie it?
Or maybe you can
Yeah,
put it on the
I'll
table.
do that. I'm running a video. We can pull from it too.
Your eyes are closed. How can you be doing that?
Oh, not.
I think he's still in the
Here we go.
Here's the plank our good old buddy Travis is gonna replace for us. They ruined it on the last load. Here's my hand just for comparison. Major problem. Wow.
I'm here with my good buddy Travis. He's my neighbor behind me. He runs T&A diesel repair. If anybody's stuck on the side of the road or something in Buckeye, Arizona, or need anything, look him up, give him a holler. He's a lot of help to us, that's for damn sure. He kicks ass, does good work. So I'm gonna film him finishing up our floor here. And then more later. Travis said he thinks battery acid had a spill. Obviously prior to us buying this older trailer, but when he was trying to take those bolts out, he could kind of smell it, kind of like when he works on battery terminals and stuff. So I thought it was probably battery acid that chewed up all this hardwood, so should be good now. A couple other spots we're gonna do next time, but mighty fine repair. Travis kicks ass. T&A Diesel Repair, Buckeye, Arizona. He knows his shit and he does a good job. Bubba's birthday today. She's a happy birthday, Bubba.
Yeah, buddy, 28.
Big 28 today, babies. There are candles out, hot tub Bubba's. Did you make a wish, babies? She's a 28, babies. Whoa, babies. Uh-oh, she's a hot tub bye-bye. Uh-oh, she's a hot tub bye-byes. Uh-oh, Charlie, she's a hot tub bye-bye, son. Is it her birthday? Come here, you come see the bubbles on her birthday. You come see the bubbles on her birthday. Squatchy Poo, get in there. You go get in there. Come here. Come here, easy buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Let's go see the bubble.
Okay, pose. What do they think of Gio?
Got my neighbor Travis over here. We're swapping out 4 trailer tires today. Diesel Repair, Buckeye, Arizona. Travis kicking ass as always. He's gonna take the 4 off. I'm gonna run them down to TA and have the new ones put on the rims. He'll throw them back on later today. Thank God we have Travis though. He's a godsend to us. If you're ever going through Buckeye, need some help, TNA Diesel Repair, Travis, he's the man. Did some other odds and ends, little knick-knack repairs on the trailer today. Little liquid nails party here and there. On the outside, on the inside, fixing this door seal right now. This one a little bit too. But ain't one fucking thing. You know how it goes. Four new tires coming right up. Be a good day done. 4 new tires on this bad boy. I already got a couple new ones because of a couple bolts last trip out. Well, 1 bolt, 1 tire. Another one not too long ago. Well, anyway, guess I got my work cut out a little bit. It's about all my little pickup truck can fit. Full load. Well, damn if it isn't always something, right? But it's gonna be a good day for our trailer. Putting Travis to work again. Yeah, he appreciates it. We sure appreciate it. Anyway, I was gonna walk back to the house. Show everybody Sophie's garden. I had a nice wall built around it. And we had a microburst come and just wipe the fucking thing out, dude. It was fucked up. I had a nice wooden gate on it and yeah, anyway. But yeah, in 3 months, this thing's going off. We got carrots. Next box is onions, I think. And some kind of lettuce. I don't know what kind. Cabbage. More lettuce. All these lettuce. Salad for days. Organic gardening. Fun shit. We always have a lot of good stuff to harvest. And I gotta rethink my perimeter wall around it. Didn't work out so well. Got these sprinklers set up though for a long time. They've lasted. When all 6 of them turn on, like all the garden boxes turn into just a big produce section in the grocery store. Just gets downpoured on from these I don't know, probably 3 foot tall sprinklers. Anyway, back to the house. 4 new tires on our trailer. Pretty stoked about that. Travis took good care of us. Ready to go now. Here you go, boy.